A self-cleaning filter by LIVIC.
The self-cleaning filter automatically scrapes contaminants and particles off the filter element and continuously works online. Liquid flows into the filter through the filter element. Contaminants and particles are blocked on the inner filter element surface. When the preset differential pressure or time reaches, the self-cleaning begins. The scraper rotates and mechanically removes particles off the filter element to allow the liquid to continuously flow and be filtered. Open the valve and discharge the waste liquid with contaminants and particles. The DFM filter also utilizes the spiral scraper. The spiral scraper is particularly suitable for the liquid with suspended solids or when the filter is installed horizontally. As a mechanical cleaned filter, it has been widely used for the filtration of polymer emulsion, resin, coatings, adhesive, sewage, and so on.